Hi, this is Dawn with Paper Ink Cards, and today I have a quick tip video on how you can use your foil stamp dies as a letterpress. I'm using this Crafter's Companion Softly Swirling Foil Press die, and I've got it laying on a piece of very thin paper or cardstock so that I can ink up my die and transfer it to my plates. My plates are a little bent and warped, so I wanted to ink it on a flat surface. I've also got a piece of Centura Pearl. I think this is in Snow White. I believe that's the color. Cardstock. I'm also going to use Crafter's Companion or Spectrum Noir Harmony Opaque Pigment Ink in Damson Wine. And I'm going to use the ink to ink up my foil stamp. And I'm going to try and get a really thick coat of ink on here, because as I letterpress it, it's going to transfer the ink from the stamp or the die to my paper, to my cardstock, and it's also going to deboss my cardstock. So I want to have lots of ink on my stamp. I'm going to transfer this to my plate. So I'm going to start with my base plate, my Gemini base plate, my Gemini opaque shim. I'm going to transfer this piece of paper and my die to my sandwich. I'm going to lay my cardstock down. This cardstock is one-sided, so you want to make sure you put the shiny side down against the die. And I'm going to put my top plate on. And I'm going to run this through my Gemini Junior. In just a few seconds, I'm going to have a really pretty letterpress background piece. And there it is. I'm not sure you can see that it's pressed in. Maybe on the back you can see a little bit of the impression. But it's just another use for your foil press stamp dies if you don't want to pull out your heat press or don't have a heat press yet. And to clean up my die, I'm just going to wipe it off. And my die will look like it was brand new. There you go. I hope I've shown you something clever and unique, and I hope you'll give it a try. And if you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick tip video tutorials. Thank you for visiting. Bye.